This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Evelyn Louhau Alvarez. Pool home. Welcome home to this amazing 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, located in a corner lot. This home has a great floor plan, very open spaces with plenty of room. The master bedroom is spacious with a large walk-in closet. Home recently repainted. Completely fenced backyard, no CDD, Louhau, beautiful laminate flooring, and tile floors. Sliding doors lead to a covered lanai and pool, perfect for entertaining and hanging out with family and friends. Come and make this lovely house your new home. For more information, review the details below.